time for a history lesson, Stockton. In 1992, only two things happened. German Eurodance outfit 2 Unlimited released this track. It's called Get Ready for This. Elsewhere, a child was born. And now, 21 years later, no one cares what's happened to 2 Unlimited. And that acorn has grown to become oak. On this stage last year, he tore down his nemesis Chestnut with a bold victory. The #2 ranked eater in the world. Please welcome, Matthew, the Megatone, Stonie! That leaves just one eater, Stockton. A man who is a hero to you all. A hero who on this stage let you down. Because he did not win. Such is the weight of the crown, ladies and gentlemen, that the champ wears. And he left this arena, ladies and gentlemen, with a belly full of deep-fried asparagus and a belly full of tears. That asparagus has since been turned into USDA certified organic fertilizer. You know what that means, Stockton. You know what that means. He will not stand down because he has two things that you don't. God's username and God's password. And he'll do with it what he will. The #1 ranked in the world. The man from San Jose. Joey Chestnut. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a 10-minute contest. 9 pounds, 5.2 ounces. If you are ready, ladies and gentlemen, you will help me count it down from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beginning to go! Go, ladies and gentlemen, go!
Come on, Matthew!
Bit more volume on that for the contest. Yeah, off to racing, ladies and gentlemen. 10 minutes. 10 minutes does not sound like a long time, ladies and gentlemen. It is a marathon in this event. Bit more volume on the contest music there if we can. There we go. Who doesn't like a bit of Kenny Loggins in their afternoon? I know I for one certainly do. These are 1 pound plates and they're rolling. Look at the snap of Chestnut. Look at the snap. But Stonie is going for a multi-spear approach. It's a multi-spear approach with Stonie. He's using what appears to be his trademark Smurf blood. Stonie has gone with Smurf blood for his beverage of choice. Joey Chestnut is getting ample encouragement from his judge. A man well versed in sports. Joey appears to be separating breading from vegetable, an unorthodox approach, but it's Stonie who appears. Stonie is edging out. So that's 2 pounds down for Stonie. 2 pounds down for Chestnut. Stonie has stated in pre-contest remarks, ladies and gentlemen, he stated in pre-contest remarks, 1.5 minutes gone, ladies and gentlemen, 8.5 to go. Stonie's tactic is to get out fast, get out early, and try to hold back the Panzer-like approach of Chestnut. You can see the best of their spot, ladies and gentlemen, pushing themselves to new heights. Remember, Sudo is competing again tomorrow in another discipline. Does she have what it takes to push herself? 2 minutes gone, ladies and gentlemen. Joey appears to be getting ample assistance from the front center of the stage. The wonderful, sweet Nestle Ricasa helping her great. It's Stonie who's powering ahead. Stonie from San Jose. Joey from San Jose. So close in proximity. Oh, Chestnut's onto his next plate. Chestnut needs more food. Chestnut needs more food. Move. He has incredibly large boots. 3 minutes gone, ladies and gentlemen.
Can't slow down.
Joey has made this event his own, winning 7 of the last 9 events. It is his signature event. It is his breakthrough event. It is the event in which he made his name in competitive eating circles. Steve Henry working methodically, getting a wriggle.
Get those burps out. Make sure you breathe.
You can see her looking around to see how she is placed. Joey casting down that ball, but it's Stonie. It's Stonie who is setting the pace, I think. 6 pounds down for Chestnut. How many pounds down for Stonie? 7 pounds down for Stonie. Stonie appears to be up by a whole pound. This far out, we are not even at the halfway mark. We're not even at the halfway mark, ladies and gentlemen. The record is going down. 7 pounds down for Chestnut. Stonie is slowing down already. Chestnut is maintaining the pace. 4 minutes gone. 6 minutes to go, ladies and gentlemen. 6 minutes of elite athletic action. Chestnut is pushing himself. He's willing this victory. He's willing. It's an 8 for Stonie. 8 down for Stonie. 5.5. 5.5, ladies and gentlemen. Nikki Sudo also has 5 pounds down. She is also on world record pace. And Steve Henry has down 3. We're approaching the halfway mark, Stockton. You can see the spirit of youth in Stonie. And you can see the human struggle. At the ends of the table, it is slow going. It's 8 down for Chestnut.
Come on, Nate.
8 down for Chestnut.
You got it.
We are, ladies and gentlemen, we are blitzing world record pace. We have seen nothing like this in the history of this sport. Never in the history of the Weber Point Event Center. It's at 9 down. It's at 9 down. Ladies and gentlemen.
Come on, man. You can take Joey. He's right on
9 down for Chestnut. 9 down for Stonie. Chestnut is powering back. He is powering back, ladies and gentlemen. We are only 5.5 minutes gone. We will have an incredible new record. 9 pounds. Our contestants are pushing themselves to new limits. The assembled media are very brave. They are in the splash zone, including Rock Royalty, who has decided to participate. History, Stockton. 6 minutes down. 10 pounds. New world record. Mark it.
Come on, man. You gotta keep it
New
up.
Winners history. And there's more history at 10 pounds for Chestnut. Chestnut is not slowing down.
Let's go, Joey.
Chestnut is not slowing down, ladies and gentlemen. He's forcing.
Come on, Stonie. Oh, you got this, John. It's easy.
6.5 to go. 3.5. Sorry, 6.5 down. 3.5 to go. 10 pounds for Chestnut. Chestnut wiggles. And Chestnut wiggles. Great things happen. Everybody knows this. Sudo has also put down 6 pounds. An incredible feat of sporting prowess. We have broken the world record, ladies and gentlemen. That's 11 pounds. Stonie is possessed. He is possessed by the furor of youth. Joey will not back down from this challenge, though. He wishes to represent that age and guile is more important than youth and enthusiasm, ladies and gentlemen. We have $2,700 on the line. $2,700. $1,500 to first place. 2.5 minutes to go.
Joey's catching up.
Can Chestnut force his way back? Can Chestnut force his way back, ladies and gentlemen?
Joey's catching up, man. You got to push it.
2 minutes and 20 seconds to go. A 10-minute contest where contestants are pushing themselves to new heights. We have already seen the world record broken. The only question is how by how much? 7 pounds. The Stonie Pup. The Stonie Pup. This is sport at its most electrifying, ladies and gentlemen. There's Stockton Asparagus. One more time. We've run out of things, but here are the things. Put it on there. Get it on there. 1 minute to go. Stonie will not be denied. These are incredible tunnels. These are incredible tunnels. We know who the call is for. 30 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. We've gone beyond. We've gone beyond.
Come on, Matthew!
We're in uncharted territory.
Come on!
Uncharted territory, ladies and gentlemen.
Matthew, come on!
20 seconds to go.
Get over it.
Help them bring it home, Stockton.
Get over it.
Help them bring it home. Help them bring it home. 3, 2, 1, stop, stop, stop. Whatever the numbers are, you need to know this. You saw history. I'll say it again, it's usually met with applause. You saw history. We're placing down the third. 7 pounds, 4 ounces of asparagus. The beautiful Miss TJ, let's just cut the music. I'm going to do this in silence. The standing world asparagus eating record 38 minutes ago was 9 pounds, 5.2 ounces. That is history. You can put that in the trash bin of history, along with communism, AOL, and there were previous deep-fried asparagus eating records. One of these men, a 12 pounds, 6 ounces. The other one, a 12 pounds, 8 3/4 ounces. Ladies and gentlemen, with a new world asparagus eating record, $1,500 richer. He will wear the fetching asparagus medallion from here back to San Jose. That gives nothing away because they're both from San Jose. 12 pounds, 8 3/4 ounces. Joey Chestnut! In second place, 12 pounds, 6 ounces. 12 pounds, 6 ounces, Matthew the Megatone Stonie. They both broke the world record, but only one shall leave here anew. 12 pounds, 8 3/4 ounces.